Your living room is the heart of your home, where family gathers, guests are entertained, and memories are made. For homeowners in Little Rock, creating a beautiful, functional, and inviting living room is a top priority. One way to achieve this transformation is by installing bow windows. With their curved design and multiple panels, bow windows can dramatically enhance the look and feel of your living room. Here's how stylish bow windows can transform Little Rock living rooms into stunning, light-filled spaces. Elevating natural light bow windows are designed with multiple panels that curve outward, allowing sunlight to enter from various angles. This feature brings more natural light into your living room, making it feel brighter and more welcoming. Benefits of natural light: reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, lowering energy costs. Creates a warm, inviting ambiance that enhances the comfort of your living room. Highlights interior decor, bringing out the colors and textures of furniture, artwork, and flooring. For Little Rock homeowners, abundant sunlight can transform a dim space into a vibrant focal point of the home. Adding a touch of elegance, bow windows are a timeless design feature that instantly adds elegance and sophistication to any living room. Their curved design creates a sense of luxury while complementing both traditional and modern home styles. Design appeal: classic aesthetics. Ideal for traditional homes in Little Rock's historic neighborhoods. Contemporary flair. Works seamlessly in modern or transitional living rooms for a sleek, refined look. Customizable options. Choose from materials like vinyl, wood, or fiberglass and select finishes that align with your interior design. Bow windows serve as a stunning centerpiece, elevating your living room's style and making a lasting impression on guests. Expanding the sense of space. The outward curve of bow windows creates the illusion of additional space, making your living room feel larger and more open. This is especially beneficial for smaller or more enclosed living areas. Space-enhancing features. Adds depth to the room, creating a more spacious feel. Offers a built-in nook or ledge, perfect for additional seating or decorative displays. Improves the flow between indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing connectivity. By expanding both physical and perceived space, bow windows enhance the functionality and atmosphere of your living room. Framing beautiful views. Little Rock is known for its scenic landscapes, from lush greenery to charming urban views. Bow windows provide a panoramic frame for these vistas, bringing the beauty of the outdoors into your living room. View-enhancing benefits. Offers an unobstructed, wide-angle view of your surroundings. Creates a relaxing environment by connecting indoor spaces to nature. Makes your living room a tranquil retreat with picturesque scenery. Whether you're admiring your garden, enjoying a cityscape, or simply soaking in the sunshine, bow windows make the most of your home's location. Creating functional spaces. Bow windows are not just stylish, they're practical, too. The added depth they provide can be used to create functional, multi-purpose spaces within your living room. Functional additions. Window seats. Add a cozy nook for reading, lounging, or sipping coffee. Storage solutions. Incorporate built-in cabinets or shelves under the window to keep your living room organized. Display ledges. Use the extended window ledge to showcase plants, photos, or decorative items. These functional enhancements make bow windows a valuable addition to any living room. Enhancing energy efficiency. Modern bow windows are designed with energy-efficient features, ensuring your living room stays comfortable year-round while reducing energy costs. Energy-efficient features. Double or triple glazing. Reduces heat transfer, keeping your living room cool in summer and warm in winter. Low E glass. Reflects heat and blocks UV rays, protecting furniture from fading. Weatherproof seals. Prevents drafts and air leaks, improving insulation. For Little Rock homeowners, energy-efficient bow windows provide a sustainable way to enhance comfort and style. Increasing property value. Installing bow windows in your living room is an investment that adds to your home's value. Their combination of functionality, beauty, and energy efficiency makes them a sought-after feature in the Little Rock real estate market. Value-boosting benefits. Enhances curb appeal with their striking exterior design. Appeals to buyers looking for stylish, light-filled interiors. Adds a luxurious touch that justifies a higher asking price. Bow windows make your home more attractive to potential buyers while enhancing your own living experience. Partnering with professionals. To fully enjoy the benefits of bow windows, proper installation is essential. Working with a professional ensures a flawless fit and long-lasting performance. Why choose professionals? Precise measurements and custom designs tailored to your living room. Expert installation prevents drafts, leaks, and misalignments. Access to high-quality materials and craftsmanship for a superior finish. With professional installation, your bow windows will seamlessly integrate into your living room, providing beauty and functionality for years to come. Final thought. Stylish bow windows are a transformative addition to any Little Rock living room. By maximizing natural light, enhancing views, and adding functional space, they create a warm, elegant, and inviting environment that elevates your home's overall design. If you're ready to transform your living room, partner with a trusted window professional in Little Rock. With expert guidance and quality installation, bow windows will enhance your home's style, comfort, and value, making your living room the centerpiece of your home.